So you're looking for a product that saves you time and money? You've stopped by the right place. Check this out. Introducing Big Wipes ProPlus Power Spray. This is the same high quality cleaning solution that all of the Big Wipes products are saturated in, available in a robust 1 litre trigger spray. So what can you use this for? Pre-treating and preparing surfaces, recharging your wipes if they're not that dirty but you want to make them go further, adding extra solution to your wipes if the specific job requires a soaking wipe, or leaving the solution to do the hard work for you if you're dealing with extra stubborn grime like this here. With our new spray heads, the solution never leaks. Check this out. It's also dermatologically tested to the highest safety standards and contains 0 parabens or artificial preservatives. The Big Wipes Power Spray is also antiviral, combating viruses, but it's also antibacterial, so this spray can combat a whole range of nasties. So back to this extra stubborn grime, you can see how the solution is breaking down this here grime. This makes it easier to clean, so the best thing to do, spray the grime, have a cuppa, and let the solution do the hard work for you. Eliminating snag lists, saving you time and money. Big Wipes, your hands are safe and clean in hours.